Happy Easter, brothers and sisters. We are in the first week of Easter, and given that this is the season of Christ's resurrection, we wanted to share with you the progress on a project that is literally being resurrected in our diocese, which is the Barth House project at the University of Memphis. I want to thank all of the individuals who have contributed to the Bishop's missionary appeal for this year. All funds collected in 2020 for the Bishop's missionary appeal will be dedicated to this Barth House ministry. So you'll see from this video some of the work that has already started. The worship space is pretty much clear. We've also removed a few walls in the common area to make this space suitable for the needs of the 21st century. So as you watch this video, I hope that you will have a sense of excitement and hope about this project. We anticipate that it will take us about 6 months to finish it, so we're probably talking about October at this point. And hopefully, beginning next year in 2021, if you're looking for a space to have a vestry retreat, or perhaps a meeting of the Daughters of the King or the Episcopal Church women, maybe it's the Happening leadership group. Think of Barth House as a place that you can use, because in this space that used to look very traditional, with fixed pews and fixed altar and lectern and pulpit, it will all be things that are movable. So all of the chairs will be able to be moved around. We can put them around round tables or square tables. This space can be configured however you need it. There will be a large screen with a projector so that if you need to show a PowerPoint presentation or if you have a video, all of those things will be available. So now I'm standing outside, and this is the area that we envision being an outdoor chapel at Barth House. And one of the things that we are considering doing is removing the font, the baptismal font that you saw earlier in the video, to be outdoors here as part of our chapel. Of course, we will have to replace the wooden covering because that won't be able to withstand the elements. But we think that the way that font is constructed, it should have no problem being exposed to the elements. And we would hope that the outdoor chapel would be an inviting way for students just walking up and down campus to see us and to know that we're here. Again, thank you so much for your support of this project. And we look forward to having a wonderful open house once Barth House is completed.